everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a U-part crochet wig. Okay, so with that said, let's go straight into the video. All right, I ordered the hair on Amazon, so I will put a link in the description box down below, so be sure to check the description box. So this is the hair right here. Hold on, something is missing here. Oh, just the space. Okay, so it has like a natural look to it. So this is the hair I'm going to be using for the U-part crochet wig. I'm excited to try it out. Look at that bands. How am I gonna blend my hair with it though? Mine is super kinky. I'll have to stretch it out a little bit in order to blend it well. Okay, let's begin. So I've already went ahead and pinned the cap onto the mannequin head. So this is a DIY U-part wig cap I made myself, although I don't have a video for this wig cap, but you can get a U-part wig cap online, so be sure to check online for that. Okay, so moving on to the hair, like I said earlier, I bought this hair online on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. So the hair I'm using today is a natural texture hair, and it's the Ocean Wave 8-inch hair in the color 2. So it works well with my natural hair color. So to start, you want to take a little amount of hair using your crochet hook, pass it through the hole on the cap. So next you want to hook the hair and pass it through. So using the crochet hook, hook the hair and pass it through the loop. Again, hook the hair and pass it through the loop and pull on it to secure it in place. So I'm going to show you again. You want to take your crochet hook, pass it through the lace. So next, hook the hair. Hold on. Hook the hair and pass it through. So using the crochet hook, hook the hair and pass it through the loop. Again, hook the hair and pass it through the loop. So next, pull on it to secure it in place. So we're going to be doing a double knot for this crochet wig. Okay, so as for the space you have to give on your cap, that depends on the amount of hair you use for your crochet wig. So if you're using a tiny amount of hair, you have to give it a little space. If you're using a bigger amount of hair, then you have to give it more space. So the space you give depends on the amount of hair you use for your crochet wig. So along the edge of the wig cap, you want to use a little amount of hair, and also you want to crochet them a little bit close together. And also along the edge of the U-part shape, you also want to use little amount of hair, and you want to make sure to crochet the hair close together. As you can see in this video, I didn't give that much space along the edge of the U-part shape. So I want the hair to be close together, so that way I can blend my hair with it and it will cover up. Okay, so I bought a total of 4 packs of hair, but I only used 2.5 packs of hair for this U-part crochet wig. So I have 1.5 pack left, and I'm going to be using that for something good. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it aside for now and use it when I'm ready. Okay, so I'm done with the U-part wig right now. I'm just going ahead to crochet the last one. All done. So this is how the U-part crochet wig is looking so far. As you can see, the texture of the hair looks natural and is soft. As you can see, I'm just running my fingers through it. So right here, I applied a little, I would say a tiny bit of oil to my palm. I rubbed it together, then I applied it on the hair. So you don't want to over oil the hair, so you want to add a little bit. If you don't like applying oil on your synthetic hair, you can use hair cream instead of hair oil. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. I love it. I can see it in your eyes, and I just think that I could look nice here by your side, by your side. Okay, so moving on to the installation, I've already went ahead and braid my hair. So right now I'm just taking out the braids around the perimeter, and also I'm gonna take out the braid on the middle part as well. So I'm just gonna speed that up a bit. It could be so nice So as you can see, my hair is super duper kinky even after taking the braids out. So in order to do a little bit of magic so my hair can blend well with this natural texture crochet wig, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a twist. Okay, so in order to stretch out my hair, I'm gonna take a heat protection spray. Okay, so you can see right here. So I'm going to spray a little bit on my palm. I'm going to rub it together, then apply it on my hair. So I'm going to repeat that process twice or three if I need more protection for my hair, because I'm going to be using hot comb to stretch out my hair. So again, I'm going back in with a heat protection spray and I'm applying that on my hair again. Okay, so to stretch out the hair, I'm going to be starting from the tip of my hair, not the roots. You always want to start detangling your hair from the tip, not the root. Even if it's straight or coily, always want to start from the tip. So I just start by combing the tip of my hair, making sure the hair is free to go. The tips are free to go. So next, I'm just going ahead to comb through the roots. So you can see it's stretched out. Okay, so moving on to the next step to get that loose and wavy texture coils on my natural hair, I'm going to be doing a loose butternut now that my hair is stretched out. So by stretching your hair a little bit before going ahead to do the butternut will give you the same texture on the crochet wig. You want to get that volume on your hair and still have that wave going on. So yeah, so and also you don't have to use heat in order to stretch out your hair. If you have the time, you can do the heatless stretch. Okay, so for me, I want to get the hair done on time for the weekend. That's why I had to use hot comb. You don't have to use hot comb, guys. You can do the heatless stretch out. Okay. Okay, so while the butternut are sitting and setting, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the U-part wig. See the hair up close? I love it. Okay, so I went ahead and add two combs on the U-part on the end of the U-part shape, and also one comb at the back. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to put on the wig and I'm going to clip the combs on the front side in place first before going ahead to clip the one on the back in place. So to secure the rest of the wig in place, I'm going to be using bobby pin. Okay, that's properly secured. So I rarely use comb on my wigs because I don't like the way they feel on my head. But with this one, it feels real great because it's not the other kind. This one is really easy. If you fix it right, you will have it for a long time without even having to feel that you have the comb in there. So this is the next day after filming this video. I'm currently editing the video and I still have the wig on with the comb and the bobby pin in place. I usually do not do this. I usually take out my wig before bed, but with this hairstyle, I don't even feel the comb on my head or on my scalp. So that's how good the wig is. So if you do it right, you won't feel the bobby pin and you won't feel the comb. That if you do it right. So if it's not done right, it can be painful. Okay, so right now I'm just going ahead to use a bobby pin to secure the side of the wig in place. Okay, so now that I have the wig in place, I'm just going ahead to unravel the butternut. As you can see, the texture of my hair is now wavy, soft, and bouncy. Oh man, I love it. Love, 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 love it, love it, love it. Okay, moving on. I'm just going ahead to separate. So I'm going ahead to separate the coils on my natural hair.
Okay, so I went ahead and separate the rest of the hair off camera. So right now I'm taking a little comb to comb my hair and the hair on the wig together. So you can see the middle part looks a bit puffy right now, but you can tie a scarf around it in order for it to lay flat. But I like it. I love it just as it is. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so I'm done. That's my natural hair. Okay, that's my natural hair. I don't want to hear anything about a wig. I don't wear wig. Okay, this is all my hair. Tell nobody. Okay, so this is the final result of the U-part crochet wig with leave out, and I love it. Love, 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 love it. You can style it however you want. You can do a middle part, a side part, all back, or into a bun just like this. So yeah, I'm gonna have lots of fun with this hairstyle because it looks so natural. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for popping by today. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.